Today, I want to talk about some of the best free sites for new content creators. 1. Videomarketing. You can download the extension for YouTube keyword research and more features. 2. Keywordtool.io. It is best for long-tail keywords. 3. Wordstream's analyze your keywords performance. A great feature of Wordstream is its ability to provide keyword suggestions based on your website's content. We'll help you understand how your keywords are performing across various channels and platforms to help you optimize your strategy. 4. Ubersuggest. You can find long-tail keywords related to your niche. Tip: download the extension. 5. Referral help you to emblem your videos for a second language. You can find many tutorials on the internet to help you do this. 6. You can use real-time HTML editor to emblem your videos and products. 7. YouTube tags. It is a tool to get tags for your videos. Tags allow you rank better in search engines and increase your visibility. 8. Weebly is a great website builder, which offers a free plan with plenty of features. 9. Free SEO keyword tools. These tools are completely free. 10. CapCut is a video editing tool, which can help you create professional-looking videos quickly and easily. Tailwind. You can use it for planning and scheduling tool that lets you post on social media. If you like this video and want to learn how to use these free tools, make a comment below.